Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we have sin x squared. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we need to transform this one into this one. So 1 plus 1 we have number 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Sin x dx we change for negative du. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of number 2 sin t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have number 2 sin t square, number 2 and number 2. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sin t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the square root of number 2 cosine t dt. So this one I will put in here, and this one go in here. Du that is about this one. So this one that is about number 2 sin t square. So number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. So this one that is about cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square that is about cosine t. And now we need to simplify this one and this one. So we put negative 1 over the square root of number 2 go outside. This one that is about cosecant of t. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and I will put about c. So negative and negative we have positive. About t that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And now we can find the value of t that is about arc sine of u over the square root of number 2. So we need to transform this one into this one. About u, that is about cosx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.